guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making garlic bread. So the ingredients are on the screen right now. There's 1 baguette bread, 4 to 6 crushed garlic, and half a stick of butter. Okay guys, so the first step of this recipe is to cut the baguette in pieces. So as you can see, we already cut it in pieces, and now we're just like mixing the garlic and the butter together. Okay guys, so now we're just putting our bread pieces onto our baking. Okay, so now for one of our final steps, we're putting our mixture of garlic and butter onto our bread. Now you can put some cheese on your garlic. Now we put our garlic bread into a preheated oven set to 160 degrees. Then wait 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown, and then dig in.